How to change the portrait in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device. As you launch the Canva application, you'll be able to see the format for your Canva project. So what you simply need to do is whenever we want to change the frame to portrait or landscape, you generally go through resizing your frame. So that's generally in the pro version. So what you can simply do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and you can just select on the custom size option. So tap on the custom size option, and when we want to change the frame or the size to portrait, generally the width is smaller and the height is longer. So let's select a particular one over here, and let's select on the inch over here. Let's select on the width again, and let's go for the height as well. Then tap on create new design, and as you do that, you'll be able to change the portrait in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.